Well, it's a wonderful, cozy day today. So I was just enjoying the rain outside. Sometimes whenever I feel like to be in a solitude, I just gaze out, I find my own corner and just gaze without any aim. But now since it's drizzling, I just thought that I'll have a look at the raindrops, and I can view the raindrops just sliding down the window pane and all. I'm not actually counting them. The only thing that I'm lacking right now is a hot cup of coffee, the steaming hot chocolate or coffee, which is of course my favorite beverage. But even though I wanted to enjoy the rain, I was not able to do it because a lot of concentration issues were bombarding me. The sound of vehicle, birds chirping continuously, sound of ambulance, you know that it's pandemic, right? So ambulance are always patrolling, police vehicles are patrolling and all. So those were all the hindrances in concentration. So why not I make a video regarding concentration issues, particularly in your OET 2.0 speaking subtest. So guys, once again, this is Jacob John right in front of you, and today we are going to see what could be the possible concentration issues in OET 2.0 speaking subtest. There could be many factors as far as I think so, both intrinsic and extrinsic factors. So there are a couple of factors that I want to tell you. The first factor in my view, or particularly what I feel personally, could be like, faking an accent. Come on guys, we all have our own accent. Don't try to imitate some other country or some other nationality's accent, whether it be a British accent, whether it be an American accent, whether it be an Australian accent. Don't try to imitate an accent. The odd point regarding this is, or the negative point regarding this particular faking accent is like, you may not be able to continue that accent throughout your speaking for the whole 5 minutes or for the whole 10 minutes. Somewhere, somehow, you'll mispronounce a word and there you go with your accent. So that's something very important. Be realistic, be sensual, let it flow the way you know. Don't you think so? Yes, it is. The other factor that I want to tell you is don't get bothered about environment. Your environment, let it be whatever it is. Don't get too much involved with your environment. Focus your thoughts, like what are you going to project? Focus towards your speaking rather than getting bothered about your circumstance, your vicinity, whatever is there in front of you, because it's one way or the other, another distraction. Don't go towards that. Another factor that I want to tell you is, I know you must be tensed. You're having all sorts of tension right in front of you because you don't know the examiner who is sitting right in front of you. So don't play with the materials or stationaries that is actually displayed in front of you. There's a timer, there could be some other stationaries, a pencil, a pen or anything else. So don't get distracted by all those things. Don't pick them up, flip them up, or hold the table tightly, or just hold your cue card or your role play card tightly. Don't do that. Be relaxed. It's very important because it's some sort of an involuntary action. Without our knowledge, just to alleviate our tension, we are doing it. But it's one of a body language that the examiner can understand. And knowingly or unknowingly, it actually represents in your speaking, even though it's recording, but still the pace, the intonation, it actually reflects. Another factor that I want to tell you, and it's totally important, it's absolutely important. As you all know that you'll be getting 3 minutes preparatory time and 5 minutes speaking time for your particular role play card. So in total, you'll be getting 6 minute preparatory time and 10 minutes speaking time for 2 role play cards. So make use of the 3 minute time. It seems like clear the air when in doubt. don't keep it for the 5 minute. Why? Because once you start speaking, the recorder is on, the examiner is listening to you. So it's not the right way, isn't it? Whatever doubt you have, let it be whatever doubt. The name of the client, the name of the client's son, daughter, or whatever doubt you're having with the scenario, setting, or the task, clear the doubt and be ready to speak. Alright guys, so I want you to think about this particular video. Not only think about this video, I want you to comment below this video because you may be having some personal concentration issues. So if you guys are commenting, it will totally be helpful for all the other people to understand, or perhaps I can make another part of this video discussing about the concentration issues that you guys will be facing or are facing, or there are chances for you to face during your OET 2.0 speaking sip test. Thank you so much, dear guys, to listen to this particular short video.